How are you guys doing? What up, youngers? My name is Joe, welcome to my world, and today, this is the part 2 video of our band and tonal video. Thank you guys for the likes from last week's video, which was part 1, and today we're going to finish this off. Actually going to go all into it. This is Cameron, once again. Make sure you guys check out his YouTube channel, Adventures with Cameron. And yeah, so let's see where this takes us. I have a freaking sketchy feeling about it. You know you got a sketchy feeling about it, so let's just see how this goes. Let's go. Open the gates, Cameron, open the gates. Leave a like if you haven't done so yet. This is where we left off yesterday, but we're on the left side today. We're not going through the right side. And we're gonna see where this takes us. It's super sketchy, I don't even know what to say. Make sure you guys leave a like for this video if you haven't done so yet.
The entire night before, I think it's fine. Dude, what is that?
Look.
Is there, like, is that a room though?
I don't think so.
Oh, it's the water pipe.
Hey, what the fuck?
What?
Right here. Cameron points to that. What the fuck?
Hey, it's literally just graffiti.
There's the water pipe.
You're gonna see freakier shit farther.
What?
Wait, stop.
Dude, this looks different than the last time.
You hear this?
It's the water.
This is the public water.
Oh shit.
Listen.
No, I heard that.
That's what it is.
I mean that ass. We gotta go.
Joe, I heard it too.
No, it's not that. I heard someone say hi, and literally you heard footsteps dead ass. I'm not kidding. I'm not trying to scare you.
Joe, no you didn't.
I swear, oh my mom, like anything happens.
No you didn't. No flashlight. Oh, this is the brightest one. Okay. Joe, chill out. There's someone in here. Yeah, there's someone in here.
Yeah, there is someone. We gotta go. Stop.
What?
Point back. There's nobody here.
No, there was someone.
Like someone was throwing something.
There was a screen. Someone said hi. I swear.
It's not a light, Joe.
There's nothing new.
Joe, that's a box.
It's not a box. There's someone right there.
No,
Dead
that's
ass.
not.
Someone's falling. I cannot be here. I swear. I'm not like ready. Alright, guys. We're in the beginning of the tunnel once again. It's hot. Literally, I saw someone. I've heard it, like, I don't know if in the video will show, I heard someone at first. That was not like what we heard down there. Literally, there was footsteps, and I don't know, you guys heard something. I heard someone, and then like when we were running, sprinting back, I looked back with my flashlight, and there was literally someone. I don't know what to do. We promised this video. So, I mean, we went through like halfway. And he said, don't turn back.
We did.
That's what, we literally turned back.
We didn't even go a quarter of the way through, Joe. How long were we in there? Maybe 15 minutes?
If that.
Yeah, like.
What the fuck?
And this goes back for like 6 more hours. So we can keep going if you want to. I feel like we need some more
Do you
bright
want
lights
to?
like this though.
Yeah, we need more flashes like that. Alright, people.
Nah, because it's like if it's open, it's
went
not a
back.
big deal.
And
'Cause then, like, the water will
saw someone.
open
We're
that
back
bitch
here.
up.
Nolan's dad's here. He doesn't
Oh,
want to show
sorry.
himself, so it's
I thought
fine.
we were talking.
But we're here with Nolan.
Oh, y'all
You live
from
here in Ohio?
Yeah, where are y'all
He's from Ohio. We're from Kentucky, so we don't know him that
Where
well.
y'all from?
Kentucky, North Kentucky.
It's like close to-
Alright, so he's gonna help us out. Go all the way down there, like we said.
Yeah, but I know everything.
One thing with
This
the
is
rails
literally
on top of
where
you.
we left off. We got the rails all the way down there. And Nolan's back there with his bed. I don't even know what to think about this.
You want to get up there?
That's the first station.
Yeah, we're going up.
Alright guys, we found the first station. Should we go in it?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, no, I read on some like report that they just doesn't.
First stop.
Ew. Hold on.
What?
This like shit. Look.
What about it?
No, right here. No, right here. Look.
Where?
Come here.
Oh.
Yeah, no, it can last like another 100 years. Like, no way. How far down does it go?
Wait, hold on. There's another one that's another station, right?
Hey, there's
No,
the
that's
steps.
the same station. That's a car going over. We're under a road.
The same thing as the one over here.
It's a lot different. There's a lot more stuff back there. There's like more rooms and stuff. Yeah, it's cool.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
So we're about to go to the stairs. Nolan! How far is this? Hey. You see this? Two ways. Are you on the left side or the...
I'm farther, I'm away from it. Like, I'll just come down the way.
What's that here? What the...
Wait, isn't that where the Cincinnati Museum is?
Sort of. It doesn't go to Indian, no. We're like kind of trying yeah, there's a bathroom there.
A bathroom?
Yeah.
This.
And there's no journal or anything like that. But if we go farther down, there's one with like completed bathrooms. Yeah, there's not a lot in here. There's like a whole ground, there's a wheelbarrow in there. So I was thinking like a YouTube video or what?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
For my channel.
What's your channel? You like explore a lot of stuff?
We just do like pranks and like challenges and all that stuff. This one's a video for like doing it for fun, like
Yeah. They're hella fun.
because nobody literally goes down here.
Oh yeah, no. Like yeah.
Like, I'm surprised. The door was literally unlocked. I mean, there should be a ton of homeless people.
It'd be a fat hell.
So we're in the first station.
Yeah, did you guys go up the stairs? On the other side?
No.
These ones are cooler anyway.
First station, sheltered.
This is the same station, it's just the other side.
One is great.
Because the reason there are two tunnels is one outlet and one on in. Yeah, you can't go out it. You can look at it, it's cool. This is the other bathroom.
That's the great that goes to the street.
This is a bathroom.
Yeah.
Hey, you see this?
It's another bathroom.
Damn, that's badass. It's just like more shit. Oh well. It's what? There's more stuff, but it's like not very tall, so I'm not gonna go.
Yeah, don't crawl through sewers. I just think it's ill advised.
Oh, it is the sewer. Yeah. That's like one of the parts they finished was the sewer. Yeah, so that's just cool.
So the
That's
sewer's
like-
the only thing underneath us right now.
Yeah, it's like fucking third. And there's a road on top of us. But the cement is in pretty good condition because the road would collapse if it wasn't.
Like,
Did you guys grab that? You got it.
Yeah.
the coach. I think Nolan's dad should.
His name is Brian.
Brian. Yeah, Brian. I think he should hold that thing.
He was on there earlier. What's this thing?
I say, wait. I don't think there's any more to this.
I mean, it's there.
Yeah, let's
do you want
let's-
this?
We should keep walking. Like,
Sure.
Yeah.
I'll figure it out.
I just love that no one's not scared of anything like this.
Let's just get out the That's my day on the run. I gave up on the sport.
Did you hop down, Nolan?
No, I don't know for a while, man. I don't think go station 2.
So why are we letting the water?
Alright guys, we're literally like almost around station number 2. But we just thought there's so many stuff like look. 420, well not 420, but look at that one down there. It says 421. I guess just
421.
421.
We're there. Fuck you.
Fuck you, bro.
See how further or die. See, like.
Hey, bro, fuck you.
It's like Dark Souls.
I have it up there. It is like Dark Souls.
I mean, you can if you want to.
I'm trying to proceed farther though. Man, there's a lot of 420s up here.
This is.
Look at the track.
Hey Nolan, let's race it 2 miles. Let's race it 2 miles.
How about that sounds like FOS.
That sounds like that. I didn't do that joke.
Yeah, the next station is not very exciting, but
Yeah,
the last
it's
one is
not.
so fucking cool. What? The race street station, there's like 4 tunnels right by it.
Did you see the Satanic Circle in the middle?
Where?
I think we're coming out on the second station right now.
Yeah, I think this is the second station.
Hey, second station. Okay, are you still recording?
Yeah,
Alright guys.
Like, we could just skip it.
we're on our last
We're
bar.
literally on the second station. What's the name of the station?
Lane Street Station.
Lens, whatever that thing is.
Hey, do you think anyone died in here?
Nah. Someone like broke their leg one time. But
Oh, this one you can.
yeah, they finished. I don't know if they finished it, but they sealed it off. So that's like what?
Yeah, it's sealed off on this.
Yeah, so this one's not super rich. It's cool, but it's not like like
I think
Why did they seal this one out?
I have no clue. Like nobody knows. Wait, is that ladder?
this is the third one.
This is it.
Oh, is this it?
Yeah.
I'm going through the ladder if anything.
Do
Yeah.
that. You can't climb the ladder.
I was worried the ladder was great. I thought about that other ladder. Yeah, this is the most fun. This is cool. There's so much.
That's fine. Alright, here, you go first. Oh, no, I'll go first.
I'll put you up.
Yeah, Dad, this is one of the sickest.
Are you recording? Alright guys, we just got the third station. This is the final station. This is the one that apparently like it was for the nuke bomb or anything like that. Like,
It's a fallout shelter.
The fallout.
Straight
Yes.
edge.
But like now, like apparently this place is like it's super sketchy to go in. So I mean I don't know. There's like where'd you say was a satanic circle and stuff?
It's in there. It's over there.
What the fuck? Alright, let's go. Let's go through it. Cameron, how did you climb this? Did you climb it?
Like a
Fucking
ladder?
there's a spider right there. What the hell?
Don't be soft.
Hey, we got to
Wait, what does this say? It says, Drew is gay, Julie is a witch, Justin is
Yeah. It smells so bad back here.
Probably from the people who.
Hold on, what?
Dude.
This is creepy. What the fuck?
Isn't there another?
No, it keeps going, but it just stops, like randomly.
What's wrong? What did you get so?
Yeah, this is.
Some dude popped up and asked for your tickets.
Dude, literally just like,
What? That's not it.
like how? Actually, it has stuff in it still.
Yeah, this is a
Why would people come back this far just to drink some beer?
But, man, I'm gonna
Wow.
Honestly,
this is not going anywhere, and it just falls on the ground. I'm not trying to fall.
this smells awful.
Yeah, this isn't very. This is fall.
Wait, hold on. You said that takes you somewhere?
I don't know. Maybe. I don't know.
I'm not climbing down.
I'm just looking.
That's the sewer.
Yeah, I think that's just.
I'm pretty sure it's normal.
It smells like shit, and I'm gonna. You coming up, Dad?
Oh shit.
That was me.
Hey, more room?
What?
I'll look.
Dude, look at that.
What? There's spiders.
Oh, this is so narrow.
Hey, Nolan, come here. Look.
Dude, I found the stairs.
What is this fucking door thing?
This is the one that's like really open.
Oh yeah, that's crazy. Wow.
Literally,
It's like hella green. What is all this? Oh. Okay.
Haley, follow me.
This one?
Yeah.
This would have been so cool to finish it.
Was this where we were before?
Wait, which way did we?
Go this way. We haven't went this way.
We're gonna come back to the station. Yeah.
Dude, that's where they had the storage. Cement.
There's kind of dip on the floor.
What? Gotta find dip.
Dude, here's the ramp entrance.
What?
It's the ramp entrance.
Oh, we're not going back there.
Oh no, it's the same place we were just at.
Wait, what's going on?
The same place. A different room. Fuck.
Dude, it would be cool if they still had all the food back and everything. No, that's not the thing. There's an actual. Where is it at? Do you remember?
I bet I know it.
Yeah, I think so.
Y'all put beds in here.
That other section was closed off.
Oh no, it's in here.
What the fuck?
This is where the bunk beds are.
Yeah, these are little beds from when this. You want to film this spot? Or are you filming?
I'm filming. I've been filming.
What?
There's another This is dropped off.
Who dropped that light down there?
Somewhere.
Dude, there's still lights and stuff in here too.
Bro, I wonder if I can charge my phone.
Dude, see if they work.
Huh?
Try it.
There's no lights in it for it to turn on. like the lamp.
Turn it back off.
There's not as much interesting stuff on this gym bag.
No, there's a ladder.
What is that it?
It goes further, but there's not another station.
I'm just jumping down.
There's definitely more that we're missing. You good? It's just them. Chill out.
That's what I'm saying.
Did we miss the ladder?
I'm pretty sure it's like at the very end.
Oh. Yeah.
That one's like down there.
Dude, Nick would have been scared of this.
He was sketched out too. He didn't want to. I don't think he really wanted to go.
I'm so excited to be here. Like, dude, this is like so cool.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Alright, you want to go first?
No, you guys go first.
I'll tell you if I'm in my bag.
Alright guys, make sure right now, we literally just passed the third station. But make sure you guys check out the Fireburst. Link in the description if you guys pre-order one. We have hoodies and shirts. And make sure you guys pre-order. And you guys will get it before November ends. And yeah, so you guys copy. It's just going fire! Alright.
Are you recording?
Yeah. So we're literally on the last tunnel. The battery's about to die, so we're about to use Haley's son. This is how it looks. Yeah. Haley, I need your help. What? Haley. Can you start recording?
Oh, cool, it's there.
Fourth station. Yeah. Can you come?
You coming?
Hey, you should record.
Here's the stairs.
Hell no, here. Alright, we back to Haley. Where's the circle?
It's somewhere. I don't know where it's at.
It's right here. Look, this is it.
Oh yeah, this is it.
This is it.
This is it.
Get the camera out. Over here. This is it. Yeah. Look, right there.
Oh, it's gone.
No, it's not.
It's like there. But
There's dirt.
Be gone.
Did you record it?
yeah. I'll zoom in on this. Here, let's do it. It's hard. So chill.
Oh, that's a pretty hard.
It doesn't go anywhere after. He's right there. It doesn't go anywhere. It's just like with the house.
Why are you recording?
What's this? There's like a storage place back here, isn't there? Like where they store the trains or planes. No, I don't think there's anything. It's water and cars. Yeah. Yeah, there's nothing down there. There's some stairs back here. That's where the storage is for the trains. Yeah.
Alright, so the camera just died, and we're using Haley's phone, the iPhone X. And yeah, so this is the end of the tunnel basically. This is where it literally like ends, but we gotta go through one more thing before we go. Honestly, I got a weird feeling. I don't know, like, so you were just smiling the whole time.
Yeah, I wasn't phased.
Nolan's down there, I don't know, he just here.
He literally just made up.
And I don't know, it's kind of weird. I heard voices, but you guys would not believe me. So I mean, if I'm gonna watch this video after this, and if I hear voices, you guys are screwed because there's no ghosts.
We're not screwed.
We already did it.
Shit. All right. Well, we're gonna go see the last thing, and then we're gonna be gone, and we're gonna meet you guys back in your car.
I thought this was it.
Make sure you guys check out Cameron's channel. I'm just gonna put this right now, so you guys can make sure you guys check that out. Cameron's about to make this channel about all of these adventures. I'm gonna be with him too. So let's go into my channel and his channel.
It's all gonna be part of the same thing.
Like, if we're literally just going to abandoned places, haunted places, hopefully.
If we
Like,
find any, we're going to go there.
yeah, we're for sure going. So spend a lot, like before October ends.
Throw in some suggestions for places for us to go.
Right. And I'm just like, over like before October ends, we're making like abandoned videos. So expect like a few more. This one is just the beginning of a new chapter on our channel. So you make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Part of the day. Yes. What would this be?
There's a ton of these throughout the tunnel.
Oh yeah, that's where it forks.
I'm not about to walk through that.
Should we come back next week?
We have to come all the way back here and then.
We're gonna have to have a part 2 of this. Like, we're gonna have to have a part 2 of this adventure. Like, we're gonna come with other people.
Maybe.
It'll be part 3.
There's nothing back here. I've seen videos of it. I got you. Yeah, this is the place I was talking about. Yeah, it's a dead end.
We're almost done walking. It's currently like 9. The gate, it's literally down there.
It's
You can already hear
7:15.
the cars and stuff. So we're basically like almost done. And like, yeah, we made it out. And we're out of the tunnel. Dang, look how dark it was. We literally think it was like daylight. This is how like long it took us. Well, we're gonna head back to the car and we'll see you guys back there. Alright. Thank you guys for watching this week's video. If you haven't done so, make sure you like, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you guys leave just leave a thumbs up in this video, because literally this was the craziest experience I've ever had in my whole life. I want to say thank you to Cameron. This channel will be right on link in the description, and once it's made, video's not coming up yet, but you will see it in a lot of my videos. Make sure you guys comment below what you guys want to see next. No further ado, my name is Joe, and this is Cameron, and we're out.
Yeah, I